We ain't gonna make it complicated. We're not gonna waste no time. Welcome in. Welcome in. Yeah. We got the Battle of the Birds. Seattle Seahawks and the Arizona Cardinals. Mr. Kyler Murray versus the OG Geno Smithsonian. With how long he been in the league. All right, let's get to it.
The line of scrimmage is where it all matters for Arizona in this one.
They did not establish the run in the last.
It's where it matters in every damn game. What are y'all talking about? That's not a. Anyways, we're not gonna start this video off like this. We gonna make this under 20 minutes. I promise y'all. Let's get to it.
The line of scrimmage is where it all matters for Arizona in this one.
They did not establish the run in the last meeting. They dump it off.
James Conner
takes it to the outside and banks into his own man, but he's got a first down.
This is really it seems like the battle of mid, not gonna lie, but at least these uniforms look straight out of damn create a team mode.
Murray in the pocket.
Drag.
Makes the connection with Jones. First down into Seahawks territory. Opening drive of the day for the Cardinals. Enter action at 6-6 on the year. Play fake. Murray looking for it all.
Damn.
Downfield. Catch made. Michael Wilson. Touchdown.
Yeah. Okay. Hey, I love to see it moving. Geno, what we got? Let's respond.
They need a yard. They get it. And it's the tight end Fant.
These guys come to play each and every week.
They have 19 sacks in their last 4 games. They are generating pressure. Kenny McIntosh shot out of a cannon.
I don't know about that, but it was the run.
Miami just trying to stay in the race.
Bro,
Charbonnet cuts it to the outside.
Damn.
Charbonnet walks the.
What's wrong with the field? Everybody's slipping around like they break dancing. What the hell?
They threw the ball into the flat to Fant.
Smith throws a pass. It is Fant.
It was high. Hey, way to get it.
12th play of the drive. Over 7 minutes. Smith on 3rd and goal. Smith. Incomplete. Jason Myers to kick it.
Hate to have a drive in a field goal like that. It's like I totally understand.
He's active. He's the holder. It's a chip shot. And it's good from 20 yards away. Murray zips it. Intercepted.
It looked, that whole ball looked low as shit anyways. What the hell? Like you could see it looked like it needed a little more. It needed to come out like here. It needed to come out like right here. This motherfucker threw it right to him. Look at this. It was right to him.
Intercepted.
Sure.
It's picked up by Ernest Jones.
Way to get your hand up and tie up that shoe right there.
With the turnover.
Yeah, that was low as shit. It was low as shit.
Mistake from Murray. Seattle looking to take advantage. Ball is inside the 20. Smith deals. End zone.
Ow.
Open. Touchdown. Smith in with the score. Seahawks take the lead.
Come on, Geno.
Told us the first game didn't sit well with him. The loss and the fact that he didn't impact the game in the way that he's supposed to. Murray intercepted by Bryant. They open up at the 46 of.
Guess that flag didn't matter. Shit.
Arizona.
What the hell is Kyler Murray doing?
For the Cardinals. 2 picks from Murray. Smith locates the open man. Smith in Jigba. And he drives inside the 30.
Going through his progressions to find open people.
First down from the 27. It's a give. Charbonnet
damn.
takes it to the outside. Stutter step move. Charbonnet down inside.
Yeah. Come on, take this right outside. Boom. Yep. Inside, out. Yeah. Nah, I knew exactly what was cooking up right there. That boy's name is Charbonnet. I know it's not that. He said Charbonnet.
Murray.
Okay.
Underneath.
Damn.
Chip Ryman. Footing.
Damn.
Murray. Underneath.
Stupid. Look at this. Grasping for aspirations. Looking for hopes and dreams. Just trying to solidify a place on the team, and this is what you're doing. We going towards the playoffs. I mean, at least the thought is, right? This ain't what. This is a Madden animation.
Chip Ryman.
Damn.
Takes it into Seattle territory. in the NFC West standings. 3rd and 1.
Yeah, James Conner. Yeah. Way to keep somebody in front of you. Ain't no reason to take no unnecessary hits. Shit. Shit.
Tries to break away. And he spun down just short of the 10.
James Conner still be running on y'all. Outside.
Flips it. Nobody home.
Bro, you ain't getting none on that. The ball was thrown terribly.
Chad Ryland, who has been very good for Arizona this season. 28
Almost
yards.
blocked.
He nails it.
Actually.
Kenny McIntosh is now in there. Smith in Jigba, the motion man. Delayed handoff to McIntosh.
Damn.
Slashing for a first down. Second year from Georgia.
Okay. Shout out to Dab.
He's under duress at that spot, and that's why they end up dropping the flag.
Lock
3rd and
up.
20. Toss it out to Charbonnet, asking him to create after the catch.
Charbonnet is
Arizona takes over 1st and 10 at its own 18-yard line.
a whole different name.
Pitch.
You gotta, yeah. No, that was going.
And then everybody from Seattle comes towards the ball to bring him down. We asked Connor about Benson. He said he's really gifted.
Shit.
Murray steps up and goes down. Murray sacked back at the 24 by Jonathan Hankins, the veteran. Dime package here for Seattle. This is a 3rd and 19 for Murray and the Cardinals. Underneath, DeMercado. The catch, he gets tagged at the 31.
Bro, what are these names? Oh, no disrespect. I
2nd
just,
and 20.
damn.
Protection holds up. Hooks a pass underneath to DK Metcalf. Hurdles.
You know, at this point, I'm not gonna warn y'all against hurdling no more. Just when the clip happens, anybody watching this video, when the clip happens of when somebody hurdles somebody and somebody catch their stupid ass in the damn RKO, and that clip goes everywhere, make sure you heard it here first exactly what's gonna happen. Anyways, sorry about that. Oh damn, crushed my damn elbow. All right.
3rd and 10. Rushes on.
Gino.
Smith gets rid of it.
Oh, he got that.
Smith and Jigba still going. First down.
He got that off.
24
It didn't touch
yards
the
on lookout.
ground.
I don't know how many organized football leagues there are for 3-year-olds. That was news to me. On again,
Easy.
Charbonnet.
Yeah. Oh, that's to the crib. That's to the crib. Who gonna stop him?
Takes it to the house.
Ooh,
Seahawks.
and then you did all that. You tried to wrestle the ball out of his all the way in the end zone. You tried to wrestle it out then and still couldn't take his ass down. Now you laying down here looking like you trying out furniture at a damn store. What the fuck?
Touchdown, Seahawks.
Oh man. Hey.
51 yards.
Push it. Yeah, you should be embarrassed. You should be embarrassed.
From the 37-yard line, fake the handoff. Smith has the time. Pump. Smith out to the flat.
Embarrassing.
By Barner. Takes down a man. Driving over Mac Wilson Sr. for the first down. This is 3rd and 7.
I just knew he would. I didn't know it was gonna be like that.
There. Smith drives it downfield for a first down.
Nah, the Seahawks are cooking. I rock with this. Granted, Kyler Murray gave him two gimmies for no reason.
He takes advice. He's very calm and collected, other than fist bumps.
Great patience. Great patience to just wait and watch that develop.
Smith. End zone.
Oh boy.
Knocks it through.
Good kick. Okay, what we got? A 17-point game. We 5 minutes left in third quarter. Okay.
At the 45, staying on his feet. DeMercado.
He got it. I mean, like, he stopped him.
Murray looks, throws, first down catch, McBride. He got hit around the neck area by Woolen.
And pick up the additional yardage.
They are now at the 38. The throw.
Very close to another pick. He actually put the height that he was supposed to on that last one. He actually put it on that one.
Extra hit by Knight.
This has got to end up with a touchdown opportunity. A field goal would be a huge disappointment.
Now I know why I've been so irritated why I've been listening to this. This is the damn Mad crew on broadcast. This is damn, what's his name? And it's the jamokes that I have to turn down every year in Madden because they sound like this.
For Arizona.
It's a 3rd and 1. Handoff. Connor's got the first
Outside.
down.
Yep.
Got more. Connor cuts it to the outside. And Connor denied the goal line, but a first
That
and
man
goal
a monster though, man.
for Arizona.
Get up.
3rd and goal. Shotgun. Murray.
Mm.
Underhand toss
Mm.
for the touchdown.
Okay. Okay, Arizona. Okay. 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 Come on. Come on.
Very much alive.
Those look like college uniforms. I'm not gonna lie. Look like damn.
When you had to.
Fake it. Murray to
60
run it.
get,
He
yeah.
gets the block and he gets the edge.
I should have known. It was
Two on the
James
board
Conner out
for
there on the block.
Cardinals.
He was gonna make sure he was straight.
Where people do that now, when it used to be you only chased the 2 points when you had to.
Fake it. Murray to run it. He gets the
This pisses me off so much. This pisses me off so much. So you mean to tell me I just watched the Vikings-Falcons game and they like completely skipped over what was a touchdown. And then in this one, they showing this back-to-back in clips. NFL, I'm gonna be honest with you. You are probably one of the worst major conglomerates when it comes to putting videos on your channel. And then you got the nerve to copyright strike and ban people's stuff that's only making your content better for you. It's a damn shame. It really is. It really is. But we just gonna keep going about it. We ain't even worried about it. It's not even a talking point.
Game 19-6, lost 23-22. This is now a 3rd and 8 for Smith. Smith,
Gino,
pocket
come on.
holds up.
Yep.
Darts one underneath to Charbonnet.
The damn
Still
Charbonnet.
down.
We know who it is.
Hit down low by Murphy.
Damn
Bunting.
Pastor Charbonnet. I don't know what the
For
hell.
Arizona. Running play, Connor. Connor loses
Oh!
it at the end of the play. Arizona jumps on
Good job.
top of it.
Good job. Good job.
It was Knight who helped
You
knock
need
it
every
over.
moment right now.
Now the 23.
Boom.
Murray tosses to
Go
Wilson.
out. Yeah.
Gets out of bounds, just short of the 40.
Are the Arizona Cardinals.
Murray straight back,
Boom.
throws it on time. McBride. They're just feeding him the football at this point.
Feed somebody the football. We got 9 minutes to go make this game. What are you talking
Looking
about?
out
It's
of the
9
gun.
points.
Murray flushed out. Murray can run with it. Will.
Hey,
Murray
he put that little.
kicks it to another gear, and he's got a first down for the Cardinals.
Yo, so you went from regular
Murray
running.
flushed out.
Anyway.
Murray can run with it. Will. Murray kicks it to another gear, and he's got a first down for the Cardinals.
Man, run like a little wind-up toy.
Murray backpedaling. He's going to throw. End zone. Incomplete.
I knew he ain't looking
whether or
around for
not
no
there's a
flag.
There isn't. The punter is holding, so the ankle injury is
I ain't
not
throwing
going to
nothing for
keep
that
him
one.
from doing that job. This is
I
a
ain't throwing
40-yard
nothing for
attempt
that
for Ryland.
That was kind of a shitty hold. Yeah.
And it hits the post.
Yeah, I saw it from the process. It didn't look good.
Smith guns it for the first down. DK Metcalf forced out of bounds.
Okay,
into
okay,
Arizona
Seattle.
territory. From the 49, Arizona only 1 timeout left. Smith.
It's crazy.
complete.
Arizona
Smith
went through that whole
chip
drive,
up.
didn't score not
First
a
down.
single point. Crucial. That probably cost them the whole game.
First down here. Could basically
That definitely cost them the game.
Charbonnet.
Seattle about to go down here, score.
3rd down and 10. Handoff.
Okay, maybe not, maybe
Charbonnet stood up.
Okay,
Pushed
so they're gonna
backwards
kick at the
by
end of
Matt
this.
Wilson Sr. and company.
Yeah, Arizona's not
Now, this is
looking
the
good.
one that would push this to the point where Arizona would need 2 touchdowns. Myers converts, and it's 30-18 Seattle.
12 points.
Murray out of the gun.
Boom.
The throw to the tight end McBride.
Now y'all need to start moving. Y'all ain't even got no timeouts.
But the threat of actually winning the game, highly unlikely.
Hey, we've seen crazier things. Oh, 30 seconds. Never mind. Before I even
Got in
start
there.
trying
He's
to
back from
tighten
a
nothing
torn
up.
quad muscle for Seattle.
Hell y'all
Murray,
doing?
pitch and catch. It is Connor.
We just stat pad at this point.
First down.
Why the hell we even watching this?
Seattle crowds the line. Murray.
Oh, so somebody can
He's
get a
sacked,
sack off.
And
Okay.
that's it.
All right, well, the Battle of the Birds did not go how I expected. The OG, the crispy one, Mr. Geno Smith. Go ahead, do your thing, big dog. We love to see Seattle take a W. Arizona, what the hell is going on? Y'all got a whole bunch of damn short speedsters, and the only thing y'all run into is a damn couch for the off season. Anyways, hit a like on this button. Check out the next video. It's probably popping up right about now or something like that. And if not, I'll see y'all next week. If you all caught up, boy, we almost to the postseason. We almost to the postseason. Let's get it.